Day 27, my PTO started today, slept in a little, it was great. We headed to the gym, did a leg day, I did hip thrusts, RDLs with a glute focus, deadlifts per usual, and then I added a fourth movement on because I haven't been as sore lately. I feel like my body is getting acclimated, so I did those things are a menace to society. I had my protein shake. I went for my walk. It was a bit gloomy, but it was also kind of like nice with a breeze, so I'll take it. I made my coffee, and then for my PTO, I am headed up to my parents' house. They live a few hours away from me. I got to see all my puppies. This is Bella. This is Saint. We have two Great Danes. You'll see Azul right there, and then Bella's a little rescue, and they are the best. I get to watch all my college basketball with Saint laying on my lap. There's nothing better than an adult-sized dog laying on your lap and begging for food. Finished this book tonight, and that was all.